Hi guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. So if you like homeware stuff and if you like reading and if you like a little bit of skincare here and there, then you would probably want to stick around because I have a lot of things that I've picked up from Amazon to show you guys. So the first thing that I got from Amazon are some skincare products from Wow. Wow is a really nice company basically. I was amazed by the kind of reviews that these products have got. So I picked a bunch of stuff because I needed some face scrub and all of that. So the first product is this one. This is Wow and it is called as Wow Skin Science, and this one is Ubtan face and body pack, and this contains chickpea flour, turmeric, saffron, almond extracts, rose water and sandalwood oil, and it says that it helps to tone, refine pores and revive a dull skin. It has no sulfate, paraben, silicone or color. That of course I know Wow is a very good company that actually uses all the natural ingredients for all of their products, and everything is kind of written over here, so I'm not really going to go through about the benefits that all the ingredients does. I mean, I'll just give a clip over here, but of course you all know about the goodness of the ingredients that are mentioned over here. Yeah, it also comes with this spatula. So this face pack is really good. I have used it twice and I really liked it. Let me tell you, my skin is sensitive and acne prone and oily. So if it suits me, it's going to suit you. This is basically for all the skin types. The packaging is really good. It comes in this kind of a cardboard packaging. This one is priced at ₹4.99. The quantity is 200 ml, but I think all of them were hugely discounted, so that's not a problem there. The packaging looks like this, but I find the packaging so satisfying, guys. When I received the packaging, I thought this is going to be a tub which is like half lid and half tub. When I opened it, I was pleasantly surprised because the packaging looks like this, and you get a lot of quantity of the products. You get a spatula. They say this is a premium spatula and it is not going to attract any bacteria. It is of course this is silicone, so it's not going to attract any mold or fungus or anything like that. You just have to use it, wash it, let it air dry, and that's about it. So that's definitely thoughtful over there. The packaging is super duper good, but the product inside is even more good. First of all, it definitely brightens up the face. It is a good face pack to go for. I just like to apply it before taking a shower and it does really good to my skin. I was having a lot of breakouts on my chin, all hormonal, so it was very painful and sometimes itchy as well, and I applied it like twice or thrice and it definitely did help me. It did help with the inflammation, the redness and the itchiness a bit, so I definitely would recommend this product. The second product that I would talk about is something which I would say is my most favorite. By the way guys, you can also apply it on the body. Maybe if you are getting married sometime soon, this entire skin range can be a good thing for you, just in my opinion. The next one is this body scrub, body and face scrub. So this is my favorite product from this entire lot. I've been using it quite a lot. It has almond shell powder, it has chickpea flour, saffron, turmeric extracts, rose water and sandalwood. It definitely helps to exfoliate the skin really well, and once I rinse the product off, the body feels really nourished and really soft and of course exfoliated, so therefore it's kind of really slippery and smooth. This product is also meant for the face, so the texture is not gritty as other body scrubs can be. So the texture is really smooth. It is not going to really strip you off, so even if you use every alternate day, it's not going to be a bad deal. But then I use it kind of twice a week and I use it once a week on my face. I have used a lot of this product, and again I have to say that I really love the packaging of it. It's so satisfying and you get a good quantity, a good amount of product. This one is priced at $3.99 for 200 ml, of course available on discount all the time. So this is what the product looks like, and of course I'm using it constantly, so yeah, the product looks used, and excuse me for all the grubby marks, but I simply love this product so much. If you have sensitive skin and if you are looking for a nice body scrub which is not too scrubby, which is not very harsh on the skin and has all the natural ingredients, you can go for this one. It's really good and you're getting a good amount of product. The next two products are still in trial. So the first one that I have to talk about is this one. This is Wow Skin Science Ubtan Face Wash. This has almond extract, rose water, saffron, turmeric and sandalwood, and this is actually a cleanser, a face cleanser or a face wash. Again, all of their products do not have paraben, sulfates, any kind of color, silicone or anything, so they don't really smell artificially amazing. They smell just like the ingredients that they are made of. This one is 100 ml and this one is priced at 299 rupees. I'm going to show you the face wash. I've used it once, I've liked it, and I'm still using it. It's a good product, guys, and it comes in this kind of a packaging. You can use it if you have sensitive skin, but if you do not have sensitive skin, I would highly recommend you guys go ahead with this one. Now this one is amazing. I think this is the same product, which is Wow Ubtan foaming face wash, and it has chickpea flour, turmeric, saffron, almond extract, rose water, and sandalwood. So the packaging actually looks like this. Design wise, it looks very intriguing. So this is what it looks like. There is a cap. You remove this cap, and then there's a brush over here. The brush is made up of silicone, and it's very kind of, I don't think even if you have sensitive skin, it's not going to really harm you. So you just have to pump the product out. The product comes out from here, and you just have to wash your face, and that's about it. Just let it air dry, and then put this cap back, and everything is good there. So this is an amazing face wash. I think it's very handy, especially if you're traveling. So those were all the skincare products that I got from Wow Skin Science. So if you are a reader, probably you like it. I got a bunch of Shakespeare books. I love William Shakespeare, and I've not read all of them. I've read just a couple, 1 or 2. No, I've read 4 or 5 of Shakespeare books, and in my book collection goes these 14 books from Shakespeare. I picked it up from Amazon, and this was a set of 14 books. I think this was priced at rupees 900 or something. There are a lot of books in here, such as Hamlet, Tempest, Othello, Merchant of Venice, and all the books written by Shakespeare. I'm not sure all the books, but they're a set of 14 books. So I'm really looking forward to reading some Shakespeare. The next thing that I picked up is Milton ka thermosteel ka flask. I needed this. I drink coffee and I need hot water. We can have hot water kettles, but you can't carry it everywhere, right? So Milton is a trustworthy company. Iska cover hai ye aise cover mein aata hai, aur ye iska box hai. So of course I'm using it, and I really like it. I would definitely recommend you guys, if you're looking for a nice, you know, insulated thermal flask or something, go with Milton, because it is safe, it is tested, tried. So the next product is a product that I want to recommend, but still I'm going to link all of it in the description box, so that you know that this is the product that you don't have to buy. I got this table that you see in the screen, and it had so many reviews, and I wanted a table that serves me not just as a laptop table, but I can also study on it, and I can also have my meals on it, and I can also drag it from one place to the other. It's a trolley table with wheels, caster wheels at the bottom. It comes dismantled, and you have to build it. So I built it piece by piece, and I got the final table. But it is a wobbly table. If you're looking for some serious table, if you're looking for some serious work, this is not the table that you would want to go for, because it is wobbly, it cannot carry a lot of weight, and even if you're trying to consume food or if you're trying to write things down, it is not very helpful at all. So I won't really recommend if you're looking for a table, and if you go by the reviews, that might have worked for all the people who reviewed the product, but in my opinion, this is a total waste of money. I paid 2100 rupees for this table. Now I can't return it because I have thrown away the box, but it is a total wasteful product. Do not buy it ever. The next product, again guys, would not be new to you. If you've been watching my Amazon hauls, you know that I love Amazon Basics products, and if one thing that I'm totally crazy about from Amazon Basics, that would be their Micro Mink Sherpa comforters. I love their comforters, and I think I have 2 of those right now. The only downside of those comforters, I'm going to put a picture over here, are that you cannot stop at one. If you buy one, you would want them in all the colors, and because they're expensive, that can really kind of cost you a bit. But then I was looking for this red comforter that was not available, but in the same Micro Mink fiber, there was a blanket that was available. So I thought maybe I'll go with the blanket, and I got it, and it's just so soft, so amazing, such a beautiful color, very cozy color, and I really like it, and it does the job well. With an undersheet, it is so warm that just the blanket and the undersheet is sufficient for Delhi winters. If you want to spend some 2500 on a good comforter or a blanket, go with Amazon Basics ka Micro Mink Sherpa. I cannot really stress this enough. They are the best products ever. Moving on to some kitchen stuff, I'm going to show you some equipments and some glassware and stuff. So I love this brand called as India's Circus by Krishna Mehta, and I have a bunch of their like some cups and saucers and all of that. So they were available on Myntra, but I love these glasses, and these were sold out. So I checked on Amazon, and these were available. I love this beautiful color. It's a very beautiful green olive color, and these are kind of wine glasses, a little heavy. Of course, I don't use it for wine. I'll use it for cold drink or juice or water. But I simply loved it, so I picked 2 of these, and these were on sale, so I thought this was the best time to actually buy it. Generally, India Circus products, they very rarely go on sale, so that's my biggest problem. So when I saw them, I couldn't really resist, and I picked up these 2. And then when I saw these champagne tulips, I don't drink, guys, but then there was something about this that I thought maybe I'll just keep it as a beautiful decorative piece. I know it was, I don't think I would be using it, because the quantity I think is just 180 ml, while these glasses are like 300 ml. So these are very useful, but these won't be excuse me. And these were not available like in the same shade. The olive one was totally sold out, and the navy one, so there were just one of this available and one of this available. So I got both of these, and then maybe I'm going to use it for candles, I'm not sure. But I totally love this, and I would recommend, if you like nice glasses, you can go for these if these are still available. So yeah, these are really nice, and these were expensive. I think I paid around 386 rupees for each glass, which is expensive. So those for the glassware stuff that I got. So if you've not watched my recent Amazon pantry haul, I'll leave a link over here. In that video, I mentioned that I'm changing the storage of my kitchen from plastic to glass. So that's what I'm doing slowly and steadily. So I got this treo ka cube jar. This is 310 ml ke jars, and so there are 6 of these jars in here, as you can see, and I'll take out one to show you. So these are really nice, and it looks really nice, and it can store a lot of things. It's not like it's totally useless. The bottle is glass. This rimming, silver rimming, is metal, but the upper part is plastic. So the dhakkan is really good, and this glass bottle is really nice. It has a good finish. Apart from that, it also looks really good in the kitchen on the shelf. So I got a pack of 6. I would recommend buying all of these on sale. And then of course, one jar that I really like is this 580 ml, because this is really useful. Again, this one is a set of 6 jars, and I have already taken out 1, and 5 are still in here. So I use it for coffee, for chai ki patti, chini, namak, and all those kind of things. And I have spoken in detail in my pantry haul, so you can definitely go ahead and watch that video. But I simply would recommend it. And this is also, the treo ka cube jar is also by Milton. It is Hamilton, and it's a really good quality storage jars. The next thing that I have to show you are the curtains. This is by some company, I don't really remember. I'm going to put it on the screen, but I was looking for really nice, lace or something crocheted off-white curtain for my house. My house is not really big, it's really tiny, so I wanted light color curtains so that I don't feel claustrophobic. When you put light color curtains, you just create an illusion of a bigger living space, and I wanted the color of the curtain to match the wall. My walls are kind of off-white, so I went for an off-white. Basically, I was a little, I don't know, I think I was a little lucky there, because only the off-white was available, and they have different sizes available in these curtains. You have window curtains of 5 feet, then you have 7 feet door curtains. They also offer 8 feet and 9 feet. My door is really kind of long, it's like 9 feet, and I was looking for a really long curtain. So I got I think I paid around $12.99 for 2 curtains. You get 2 in a set, and these are really good. So, but then because all the designs were sold out, I had to actually pick different designs in the same color. For the window I have a different design, and for the door I have a different design. On the door there's a palm one, and on the window I have the rose print one. But it is really good. If you like some, it's sheer curtain. It's not going to block the light. So if you want that kind of curtain that actually gives you a little bit of privacy, but also kind of lets the natural light in and lets the natural air in, that way you can definitely go for these curtains. These are really good quality net curtains, and I think it would be very easy to even wash them. They will be very quick to dry. Apart from that, they also look very good. They're like very aesthetically pleasing, and it gives me a very homey feeling. There's also one in maroon available. There are a lot of colors. Really you know, nice colors such as beige, then white, creams, ivory color, there's a maroon color, like curtains ke appropriate colors are available. So I would definitely recommend these curtains. And that was that. Then guys, I picked up this hand blender. This is by Plasma and this is their portable blender. This one has 3 attachments to it, so this does the job of whisking, whipping, and I think also of mincing. So this is great because it looks like wood. I have to show you this. It looks like wood, so it goes perfectly with the decor of my kitchen because everything is brown over there, and this also looks brown. You can actually hang it on the wall, so it's all good there. I got this one. This one is a Jupiter version from this brand which is called as Plasma, and this is just 250 watt, so it's not going to consume a lot of electricity. The last thing and the major thing that I picked up from Amazon would be this OTG from Borosil. This one is an oven, toaster and griller, and this is by Borosil. I didn't know that Borosil actually makes all these things, but it is really good. I got the Prima 10 liter one, but you can also get this in different capacities depending on your usage. I'm just one person, so I think it's good for the pizza or just to grill a bread or just to kind of heat things up. It's affordable when it comes to a product like this, and it looks really good. Of course, I'm going to give you a close-up and everything on this, and it does the job really well. It has the temperature ranges from, it has just 2 buttons, so there's this temperature control and there is this timer. The temperature ranges from 90 degree to 240. It does the cooking in 3 ways. There's top heating, bottom heating, and kind of cooking both sides, which is really good, which is the one I prefer when grilling especially. I really like it, and it has this really nice lid which is of course made up of Borosil glass, so it is unbreakable and all of that. It's totally safe, and it's a good product to go for, guys. If you're living in hostel, staying alone and cooking your own food and just need a simple stuff with no jhanjat, I think you can go with this one. So that is everything, guys, in this video of mine. That's everything that I got from Amazon. I hope you've liked this video. If you have any feedback, any suggestion, any review of any product that is featured in this video, do let me know about your views in the comment section below. It definitely helps a lot of us, guys. I would really appreciate if you can hit that thumbs up button if you've liked the video. Of course, if you've not liked the video, go ahead with the thumbs down button, but do something, because that way I get to know what you like and what you don't. And of course, if you want to be a part of this beautiful family, hit that subscribe button. Notification bell bhi zarur hit kar do, because that way you'll be notified about my future videos. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I will see you in my next video very soon. Till then, take very good care of yourself. Keep happy, keep healthy, and keep smiling always. I love you all so much. Bye, guys.